F my life. Oh, you recording it?
Today. Let me see. Come closer.
Oh, you guys. I'm on.
You guys don't know how to measure. That's a heaping spoon. But Crystal spilling it. She's cheating.
No, I'm not. I'm kind of.
All right. Don't be spilling on the dirty rug.
Noonie put powder at the bottom of her spoon.
Oh, you cheater. No.
You should have said stand over to the
You're spilling your cinnamon.
Mine?
Yes.
I want fade with every person who liked my status, okay? Starting with Tyree because he liked it twice.
Nobody liked mine.
Twice.
So I'm only doing this so Krista doesn't.
Look at this. We got a crowd. Millions upon millions.
Jeremiah.
Brandon, this one's for you.
You going first, Diddy?
No, at the same time.
Oh, I can zoom in. That's so cool.
Mine is
You go
bigger.
first. You go first. No, you can just smell. No one told you put that much.
Okay, ready? Same time. My stomach hurts.
No.
Mine is bigger. Come on.
3.
Woo! Look at my dick.
Let the show begin.
Come on.
Oh yeah.
If you got to throw up in the sink. Just don't throw up on the... Oh my God.
That's hot water.
She's reaching her mouth out like she's crazy.
Noonie, are you swallowing it?
Noonie's face is turning red.
How's it taste, Crystal?
Freaking you. Is it my braces?
Oh, it turns off.
Is it my braces?
Look at her.
Fix it.
Fix it.
Oh, I did something to it. Oh, look at the look on that girl's face. Oh. Now she's about to puke. All right, Chris, give your sister a chance to be over the side.
It's like I'm dry. I'm not touching my teeth.
Oh my God.
You ever do the same challenge? Almost died. You look like an old hillbilly.
Yeah. I can't follow it.
Well, you might as well spit it out.
It makes you want to puke, doesn't it? Ugh. Ugh.
Uh-huh.
That's
I can't
disgusting.
swallow it. It's like this stuck.
It's pasty.
Take yourself
touch
over
it?
to the sink.
No. Let me see. That's disgusting.
Don't come to my camera.
Yeah, go you.
Ew, it looks like crap.
Look at Jeremiah. Look at Paula.
Hey, Jeremiah!
That shit's hot.
Okay,
I'm not eating a tater tot.
So how do you feel?
Horrible. Don't ever do a cinnamon challenge. Ever. Oh my god.
How do you feel? We shouldn't even be talking to her. She lost.
I don't care.
This shit is hot. It burned my eyes. And it looks like
Almost
crap.
like
It clogged the sink. Look at the sink.
Oh, that just shows that
Go back and get off whatever's on my floor.